You carry a superior genetic trait, but no one ever told you. Hit subscribe and watch this video till the end. Faster recovery rate. Your muscle soreness disappears after just 1 or 2 days. You get sick, but you never stay sick for long. Bruises fade in a night or two. If you have these signs, congratulations. You're in the top 10 to 15% of people with an above average recovery rate, and most people never realize they have it. So why does your body recover this fast? Your immune system reacts early. It detects problems before symptoms even show up. Your cells regenerate quickly, and the moment damage appears, your body quietly patches it. Your DNA replicates smoothly. Your muscles and tissues heal faster than the average person. And your inflammatory response is extremely precise. It's strong enough to heal, but never excessive enough to exhaust you. The thing is, you think this is normal, but most people aren't like you. You just don't notice it because this ability works silently in the background. It only reveals itself when you compare yourself to others. And here's the special part. People who recover quickly survive better through disease, cold, famine, and physical stress. They tend to live longer. It's an ancient evolutionary advantage, and you're carrying it within you. Consistent energy levels. If you wake up without needing a cup of coffee, rarely crash during the day, and always feel like you've got one more round in you. That's right. You're in the group blessed with exceptional energy genetics. Your body processes glucose smoothly. You use what you eat almost immediately. You don't crash after lunch like most people. Your mitochondria, the energy factories in your cells, work more efficiently than average. They produce energy steadily. They don't drop suddenly. And they don't leave you sluggish in the middle of the day. Your energy hormones are surprisingly balanced. Your thyroid isn't lazy, and your adrenaline doesn't fire randomly. Your body runs like a well-tuned engine. So while you're naturally alert, those around you are surviving on 3 cups of coffee, 2 cans of energy drink, and a final prayer at the end of the day. Naturally lean body. Listen closely. You eat normally, you exercise at a moderate level, but your body somehow always stays in great shape. Your body fat is lower than most people around you. You don't gain weight easily, and with just a slight adjustment to your routine, your body snaps right back into form. Why can your body stay naturally lean like that? Simple. Your genetics are exceptional. Your body burns energy faster even when you're resting. Your fat-burning efficiency is naturally higher, and your insulin levels stay stable, almost as if they were programmed not to store fat. What's interesting is that you assume everyone is like you, but they're not. Some people just eat one extra bowl of rice and instantly gain weight. Meanwhile, you eat and look like you didn't eat at all. This mechanism is so quiet, so you've never considered it a biological advantage. But in evolution, the ability to stay lean while maintaining steady energy is extremely rare. Social intelligence. You walk into a room, and instantly you know who's happy, who's tense, and who's pretending to be okay. If that happens to you often, it's not a sixth sense. It's good genetics. You read people's emotions very quickly. You're sensitive to their eyes, their breathing, the slight changes in their tone, or the way they press their lips. You can even feel the energy of a conversation before anyone says a word. It's not a coincidence that you can do this. Many studies show it's linked to the OXTR gene. The gene controls how your body responds to oxytocin, the hormone tied to empathy and social connection. In other words, your emotional system is sharper, you process signals faster, and you understand people more deeply without trying. You didn't learn this, you were born with it. It's basically a Marvel-level read the vibe instantly superpower. Slow aging indicators. You age slower than most people. Your skin stays elastic with fewer wrinkles, even if you don't take care of it that much. Your eyes stay bright, healthy, and youthful for longer than your actual age. And you think it's because you sleep well or drink enough water. But no, a big part of it comes from your genes. Your body naturally has higher collagen density. Your skin maintains its elasticity longer than average. Your telomeres are also longer. It means your cells age more slowly than everyone else's. But you don't notice this. It happens gradually, day by day. Yet when you stand next to someone your age, the difference becomes obvious. Don't believe it? Go check. And share it in the comments below. Fast learning ability. You hear a new concept and understand it almost instantly. You glance at a system and immediately grasp how it works. You learn fast. You remember long. And you assume everyone is like that, but they're not. That's genetics. Research shows that your BDNF variant is highly active. It helps your brain form new synapses very quickly. Your neural transmission speed is higher than average. Your brain spots patterns fast, processes systems fast, and connects information fast. And you don't notice this advantage because it has operated quietly since you were a child. Other people need to study something over and over. You just need to hear it once. Your brain is simply running the optimized version straight from the factory. Environmental adaptability. You handle heat well. You handle cold well. Sudden weather changes barely affect you. You go to high altitudes and rarely feel out of breath. Even polluted air doesn't tire you out as quickly as it does others. And you assume it's just because you're naturally healthy. But in reality, your body runs on genetic settings that regulate temperature and oxygen use extremely efficiently. You adjust your internal temperature faster, you use oxygen better, and you recover from environmental changes sooner than the average person. The thing is, this ability works silently, so you never notice it. Only when you look back do you realize you're always the most stable person on every trip. In short, you don't adapt to the weather. The weather adapts to you. If you see yourself in any of these signals, your genetics might be even better than you ever realized. Drop a comment and tell me which ones you have. Hit like if this sounds accurate, and don't forget to subscribe for the next videos.